Welcome to AC Mastery, from basics to repair. In this first episode, we're breaking down the complete classification of air conditioners, from window units to central systems, and from inverter tech to hot and cold types. If you've ever been confused about which AC is which, this video is your ultimate beginner guide. Not all ACs are the same. Some are meant for small bedrooms, while others cool entire buildings. Some save electricity, and some are just easy to install. That's why we classify ACs, by structure, technology, and function, so we pick the right one for the job. Let's start with the most common way, how the AC is built and installed. First up, window ACs. These are one-box units installed in windows or walls. They're cheap and easy to install, but honestly they can be noisy and are limited to just one room. Next, split ACs. These have two units, an indoor blower and an outdoor compressor. They're stylish, quiet, and efficient, though they do need professional installation. Moving on, we have portable ACs. These are movable units with an exhaust hose. They're great for renters, but they tend to be noisy and aren't really suited for large rooms. Then there's central or ducted ACs. These are big systems that use ducts to cool entire buildings. They're the best choice for offices, malls, or homes with many rooms, but they can be expensive and require regular maintenance. Finally, cassette and tower ACs. These are mounted in ceilings or set up as floor units for large rooms or showrooms. They're powerful and look pretty stylish, but you'll need a false ceiling or some space planning to make them work. Now let's look at the technology behind the cooling, mainly the compressor behavior. Inverter ACs have a compressor that adjusts its speed based on how much cooling you need. That means they can save up to 40 to 50% power, plus they're quieter and usually last longer. The downside is, they're a bit expensive up front. On the other hand, non-inverter ACs work by turning the compressor on and off over and over again. They're cheaper to buy, but honestly, they waste electricity and tend to make more noise. Some ACs are just for summer. Others can heat in winter too. A cooling-only AC is your basic air conditioner. It's great for hot climates, but it won't help you out in the cold seasons. Then there's the hot and cold AC, which has both cooling and heating modes. It works all year round, but it's just a little more expensive. So which one should you choose? For small rooms, go with a window or split AC. For big homes, you'll want a central or split system. If you're on a budget, a portable or window AC is the way to go. Want to save on energy? Inverter AC is your best bet. And if you need something for all seasons, choose a hot and cold AC. Always check the room size, your budget, and the energy rating before buying. Now you understand the full picture of AC types and categories. In episode 2, we'll dive deep into inverter versus non-inverter AC and reveal which one saves you money long-term. Like, subscribe and comment which AC type you use at home. Let's master cooling, one episode at a time.